Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making Faiai Fe'E. Faiai Fe'E guys. I used to see my dad make this. Never made it before because it's scary. But listen, I just think, stop it. Just get it going. The important part of the show guys, it's Stan the octopus. Oh, I even gave it a name, Isililianga, and then I'm going to have to eat it after. Oh, then I've got the Kara. Hey, there we go. Kara coconut. This one, Ingwang, I don't know. Anyway, guess what's in here, guys? It's the little ink sac from the octopus, okay? And I love that. You know, when they started cleaning out the octopus and took the ink out, I thought, rude. They have to leave it in there for the, you know, for us that love that stuff. Anyway, I got salt, pepper, garlic, garlic powder and onion powder, guys. Yeah, feel it on yummy. Yeah, so makes it one yummy, guys. Okay. Ta-da! Gotta have an onion, make it nice. Even though you use the onion powder, it's still very, very nice to add the onion. Okay, today, Faiai Fe'E. But guess what I'm gonna do today, guys? The octopus brings out a whole lot of water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop it up and I'm going to roast it for a little while till all the water comes out, and then I'm going to drain the water, and then I'm going to put this together with the ink, the coconut cream and the ink. I'm going to season it all up, pour it over the half-cooked octopus, and then bung it in the oven. Yep, that's the plan, guys. But you know what? I'm going to be putting on gloves. Anyway, I'll put on the gloves so I can show you guys Stan the octopus. Okay. Oh, and cheers, guys. I got me an auto from Blackett Shops. Not at Steve's where the petrol station is, but next door. At the next block of shops. So good. I don't like water that's got you know, vaimalengi, that's got too much of that vanilla something, vanilla essence, I think. It is a vanilla essence, yeah. I don't like it. I don't really like that flavour of that. Anywho, enough said about that. Man, that's octopus. Yeah, have I, mate. Sila mai, bye. Bam, bam. Good. So Faiai. Oh, yeah, that's enough. On, right? It's on. We're gonna get this going. We're gonna get this chopped up, put in here. I'll just get me a big bowl. Ta-da! Okay, I got an apron, guys. I got this from New Zealand. Got, oh, what else? What's on it? Oh, colourful kiwis. Yeah. Shake. Always got to shake the coconut cream. Oh, hey. There's going to be a Siva out in Campbelltown, guys. There's going to be a Siva at Campbelltown Something Hall. I'll write down I'll put down the address down here. But it's going to be a Siva, guys. So it's going to be on the 28th of March. Okay, guys. I'll be there. I'll be the one that's going to asu the rice and curry. I think they're going to sell. Yes, rice and curry. They'll be selling rice and curry there, guys. I don't know who's going to cook it yet. Maybe my nieces will do that. What am I looking for? Oh, I like to have newspaper down the bottom, you know? Newspaper. Because, you know, when it makes a mess. Okay. My daughter does not have newspaper, but this will do. Okay? So, can you guys move over there? It's going to be a big job. Big chop chop. Yeah, okay lo. Se kipi mo mot ka kon yangi. Ang dera pal palal mia. I yeah. Gotta get the onion chopped up, guys. Gotta use the whole onion because the whole onion means a bit more flavor. Bit more flavor. Because if you don't have flavor in your food, it's what? It's boring and tasteless. Yeah, boring but tasteless. That's not me. That's not me. I am very boring. Stop that. Who's calling me boring? Who? I know where you live. I do. Okay? You live in your house, see? I know. Anyway, guys, get this onion going. Anyway, I must ask, how's everyone doing? Eh? So, hope you guys are being good. Remembering to do your prayer daily. Not just once or twice. Once or twice every morning. Once or twice in the afternoon. A couple of times in the evening. I solo man mere fa get you look Betsy. Hi. Okay. Oh, hang on guys. Bam. You know what? I don't feel like cutting these in half. Like, ooh, boogie monster. Look, I thoroughly washed these. See? There's no sand inside in those whole thingy majiggy. You know what? This is hair part, guys. Okay? Scary. Hey, it's scary, okay? Anyway, these are my favorite parts of the octopus, guys. I'm just gonna chop it in half because they shrink down to you know, like barely nothing. So bam. Anyway, so I'll cut all these up and then I don't know. It sort of smells like vinegar or, yeah. Guys, why I like octopus, right? Because my mom comes from Luffy. They used to live, well, the family still does, live right next to the sea. And, you know, she used to feed me seafood. And that's why I still love seafood, you know? See, look at that. But that becomes that after, you know, when it shrinks down. Oh yeah, look at the... Oh. Like back in the cowboy days, you know, you watch... Back in the days, and on Sundays, it used to be like, they used to put out these movies, right? And there used to be cowboy movies, or kung fu, you know, and this one. And they go... Yeah, you know, and it's so cool because it makes the snapping noise, it makes the slapping noise like, oh yeah, wait, this one got no end part of the tail. Yeah, what you see, yeah. Yeah. Too much toki kipi le up the box. Anyway guys, I've been having a nice week. It's Wednesday today. I love this part. Oh, you go. Yeah, you know my poor dad. Rest in peace, my poor daddy. His birthday, 7th of March. It was, you know, like just recently, and I don't know, I miss him so much. He would have been 85, guys. And my mum, she's 81. Yeah. So, you know, you get blessed, right? And then you get to live a ripe age, you know? And living past 80, that's like, yeah. And my mum, she told me, how my dad always used to come and get her, because he lives out in, that time we were living in Faiai, and sometimes Baltasi, Faiai, guys, Faiai, yes, that's where my daddy's from. And yeah, I'll wash these thoroughly, guys, thoroughly. Okay, this is the head part. Yeah, Violet, right? It's got a toothpick in it, guys. It's like a plastic. Yeah, or there's toothpick in it. Yes, so when I see her apple is toothpick. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna eat this part. I never eat this part. No, that's my husband can do that. He can have that. So if he finds himself a lucky toothpick, yeah, then he can kui his ngifo pia mga island octopus. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. My. Anyway, I better get it chopped up. Wow. Did they take the heck? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go around it. There's that part, you know, like where the nipo is. They have a thing they call it the teeth. You know, wow, guys. If you guys see me throw it out, yeah, nah, I'm not cooking this part. Yeah, I'm throwing it out. I know you guys gonna. Some of you guys gonna think, oh, my mau le Faye, I get one. If I feel like knock up. So, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna foil it. Then I'm gonna roast it in the oven till it's like half cooked. And then it's gonna come back out and it's gonna get some, you know, I didn't even need this bowl. What a drama queen, Yeah, and then I'm gonna put this together. Oh yeah, that's what I bought the bowl out for. Duh. Okay, anyway, I gotta look for the bowl. Oh, foil, guys. So I'm gonna foil this up, put it in the oven. Foil. I can't remember. No, I think this is the oil. Oh, ta-ra! Hey, I've been coming here enough. I should know everything. OMG. Sharon, please don't say you don't have it foil. Yes. No, hang on. This is the foil I came with the other day. Okay, guys. I got a foil. Yep. We're going to roast it in the oven. I'll give it about, well, in the oven about 20 minutes on high, so I can bring out all the water, and then I'll show you when it comes back out. But for now, I'm going to get it in there, and then I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to come back. Go and get you some snacks, and then you come back. Yeah, anyway guys, so we only got a smaller bowl, right? Because I didn't want to be dramatic and have that big black bowl. Anyway, onion, salt and pepper, the lovely black ink. You know, these days, they take all the black ink out of the octopus, and then I don't know what they do with it, probably sell it to a restaurant or something to make their rice risotto. But my dad always used to have the ink in his, so this is why I went hunting around for an octopus that's still got the ink in it. Okay, look here, man. Where's the ink? Who took it out? Who gave you guys the permission? Hands up. And then the man said, I got one. It's freeze up. I thought, oh, okay, better than nothing. Stop it. So, guys, the oniony. There you are. Garlic powder. You don't want too much, but it looks like a lot, eh? And onion powder, even though there's a million onions in here. Just a little bit, regular. And then, you know what, I better move this coconut cream over there, because if it falls and spill, you gonna laugh at me. You. Not me. You. Anyway. Oka, so here. Oh. Get that pepper in there. Get. I know. Gotta have a dance to go with the, you know, the noise. Again, onion and salt and pepper. And I won't put that much salt because I don't even know how much I need. Okay guys, then you mix this together with the ink. You know what? I ain't even gonna touch it. I'm just gonna put it in here. Boom. Oh, ho, ho. Come and have a look. Alright. See? Then you start stirring it, right? And it's gonna get, you know, the darker, the more I stir, the darker it's gonna get. But, you know what? I look for the ink, because I think I was supposed to pop it. There it is. Ja, le whapupu, le mea le se sau e whapule ink, wairua. Ink's coming out now. I just chucked it in there without popping it. See, this is why I should have focused on when my father used to make it, alright? I used to just wait around for it to cook so I can eat. Hey, come on, ink. Come on. Did they sell me the Saka ink, but there's no ink? Oh yeah, lady. Be my ear so fuffle, ele so fuffle. Oh my gosh, is it plastic? Hi. Look at this. Really? Let it go work with I. Ay. Guys, bear with me. This octopus ink thing is gonna win. No. Anyway guys, if you guys live up, you know, like the Bankstown area, Campbelltown area, Liverpool area, and you guys want to boogie on down? Boogie on down. Yeah, boogie on down to that Siva, wairua. See, o aku take me for a dance. Ooh, nah, I'm gonna get asthma, but I will be there to make the curry, to serve a curry and rice for you guys. Far out, eh? How things have come a long way, where some Sivas don't even sell suppers, or they do have suppers, but it comes with it doesn't come with your ticket. Oh, like back in the good old days, $10 you get a siva, you take your own beer and you drink it, and then you get a supper, and you might even get a ko'olua. Woo! Not that I found my ko'olua at the siva. I found a boyfriend at the siva, but that was all. But my husband, good old memories, eh? Nah. Anyway, I met my husband at my best friend's house. He used to work with my best friend's husband. So my husband was a supervisor there at the job, and I didn't know that the ink went flying that way. Sneaky. Anyway guys, now I've got to wait for the octopus. When it comes out, we're going to do the next step. Wailua. Yeah guys, I went to the iron shop because I had to go and buy me some galo. And this is what I got. Have a look. Yeah. Pancake fala, pineapple pancakes. And I got some, where's the big mama one? Yeah. Big galo. Galo cow. There's a bit of foil on it. Always got to be careful with the foil so you don't eat it, but this one's going to be a nice one. You can just tell. Remember my dad always used to get, I don't know, I think he used to look for the high pitch one, eh? Ding ding. Guys, this is what I mean about the octopus bringing out a whole lot of water. Now I don't want to use up all that water, so I'm going to tip most of it out. And then I'm going to put in the coconut cream. I'll probably tip out the whole lot because there will be some more water coming out. When I chopped it up, it was like this, and now I have, look, that's how small it's gone. See, it's still very like, but I'm going to pour in the coconut cream. Okay, I don't know how it tastes, you know, like, has it got enough salt or whatever? I ain't gonna taste it because it's got, you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, because it's got that raw ink inside it. So I'm not gonna taste it if it's got enough salt or whatever. Besides, it might have its own salt, you know. So now I'm going to put it into the oven until, you know, this is really, now that it's in the oven guys, I'm just going to wait for it to cook real good, you know, right, tender. Then I'm going to have something to eat it with my galo. I can't wait, I look forward to it. So guys, there it is. The sauce, the coconut sauce is really thick. And that's why I hardly put any water in it guys. But it took me an hour and 20 minutes to cook this. This is some rough octopus. Where's it been? In the Sea of the Bahamas, no? Anyway guys, there. See how I told you guys it will shrink down to nothing? Yeah, nothing. Anyway, it's time to eat. I just got it out of the oven, so it's really hot. Yeah, mu apa ule ipu sola loa. Fine. Cook. Really good. Happy. I ate from the racing dish, but this is really nice, very delicious. Eat it with the galo. When you eat your food with galo, you get full for ages. You know that tail. I sometimes call it rat tail. But this is what I like doing when I was a kid, right? You get out all the testicle or whatever. Go give up your testicle. Yeah, I like to eat all that off. And then it actually does look like a rat tail. But guys, it's the best tasting rat tail I know. Cooked nicely iron. Got my Cajun water. It's so good. Mang này. And I'm a chef. And the saucy, you thickened up real nice. Nice to eat it with galo, guys. Have a bite. Really nice.
It's hot.
Yeah. It's hot. It just got cooked. Mmm. It's worth making and waiting for an hour and 20 minutes. It's worth it to me anyway. You buy a little jar for like $10 on a Sunday and it's like this. I like all the tail bits. I know. Messy Faye is good food. Messy food. This is too messy. It's really nice. Dad's gonna love it. Oh, another tail, guys. Another tail.
Can you do the zoom in face thing? Can you even do that yet?
I'm eating right now. Just no. A 12 out of 10. Who said it? No, no jokes. Anyway, guys, this is really, really yummy. If you got the time, and if you can get heaps of octopus, lucky you. Especially those that stay near the sea. It's so lovely, man. I'll be so lucky. Thank God for this beautiful food. That's nice, eh, baby? You know what? I grew up watching my father doing this. But his one was always darker, so what did he do? Put a bit of soy sauce in it? Nah, he didn't. He just knew how to massage the, you know, the ink into the soy sauce. But this is so nice.
Wait, you used to eat the ink?
You have to get the ink out of the octopus. Oh. You know that Mark wine guy? That's what he does. Oh, what a big one. What a big one. I ain't gonna put that in my mouth. Oh no, that's a head. Oh. Oh, you know what? No way. Yes, I know. It'll be good timing. Anyway, this is what Mark Wayne does. He is. No. When he does it, it'll shoot. And I think to myself, stop it. Stop it, Mark. You're teasing us. Anyway, you guys will take care. I don't know if you guys are gonna make this or if it's gonna be any good for those that want to make it, or will you guys just enjoy watching it? If you do, give me a like over here, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe right there, And if you want to, leave me a nice comment. No naughty comments, because I'm sending Talofa. When I send you, you're going to go get them, baby. She said no. Oh, rude, rude. Anyway, thank the good Lord. Always care for one another, guys. Always be careful when you cross the road and stuff like that, because if you're not going to look after yourself, no one's going to. Okay? Anyway, but my daughter's trying to tell me signal at the back.
Coronavirus.
Oh yeah. You said you guys got to wash your hands all the time for the coronavirus. But anyway, but the best thing to do, guys, just have your faith in God, because when you have faith in God and you truly believe that God's going to help you out, I'm telling you, He's going to help you out. Okay? I keep looking at my tray of octopus, and I'm thinking, I can't wait to eat you after. Greedy. Yeah, all Faso fua. Meet you guys another time. Wailua. Don't forget, share my video and ask Auntie, Grandpa, Grandma, the cat, the turtle, and everyone to come and watch my videos. Wailua, because you know when they're bored and they've got nothing to do, tell them come and watch my video and I put them to sleep. Oh, nah, don't be like that to me. Yeah, Faso fua.